articles. Okay, articles. Are articles a familiar topic for you guys?
Yes.
Yes. Sure?
Yes.
So here comes my first question. Who is giving me the right answer will be awarded plus 5 to your behavioral chart next year. Okay. So remember, the question is, how many articles are there in English grammar? My question, let me repeat the question once again. How many articles are there in English grammar? Silence, complete silence.
3
Oh my
articles.
God, Atul is raising his 5 fingers and showing me 5 articles. Oh my God, there is no 5 articles.
Ma'am, 3.
3? Who said
And
3? Who said 3? Atul Krishna said 3. No, there are 2 articles in English grammar. So before beginning, let me introduce. No, 2. Only 2 articles. So listen carefully. Now let us begin our topic, articles. You know, articles, you are familiar with the parts of speech in English grammar, aren't you? Aren't you familiar with the parts of speech in English grammar?
Yes, ma'am.
I want response. You have to say some response. I'm waiting for your response, your answers, your voice. Okay. There are, as you all know, there are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. According to the traditional grammarian, old grammarians, they have said, see, children, there are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. But later, new grammarians added one more part to speech, and now it is actually 9 in number. Not everyone agree with this, but still 9 parts of speech. According to the modern grammarians, there are 9 parts of speech. The 9th one, which comes after an interjection, is called a determiner in English grammar. What is it? Determiner. Okay, under the determiner, article comes. Okay, article is coming under determiner. So my question, what are called determiners in English grammar? The determiners are the words which we are using just in front of a noun or an adjective in a sentence. Okay, it introduces, determiners introduces a noun in a sentence. Not only noun, it is placed just before an adjective also. So article is equal to an adjective is equal to a determiner. So article is called a determiner, and these articles are placed normally before a noun. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children, as you said, a and the are called the articles, right?
Yes.
The grammarian said, you are right, but there are 2 types of articles in English grammar. Okay, definite article the, indefinite article a or an. Okay, there are 2 types of articles, definite article, indefinite article. Definite article is called the, and indefinite article is called a or an in English grammar. Okay, when you were there in the smaller classes, you are familiar. You know that these a are normally a, the letter or the article is just used before a consonant letter in English grammar. A is used before a consonant letter, and an can be used before a vowel letter. What are these consonant letter and vowel letter? Are you familiar with the word alphabet in English grammar?
Yes,
Alphabet.
ma'am.
Alphabet means Aksharamala in Malayalam. We never use alphabets in English, which is wrong usage. It is not alphabets, it is alphabet. Okay, an alphabet consists of 21 consonant letters and 5 vowel letters. Okay, 5 vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. So 5 vowel letters. The remaining letters under alphabet are, or it is categorized under the consonant letters. Okay, so consonants and vowels. 21 consonant letters and 5 vowel letters. Altogether, there are 26 letters under English alphabet. English Aksharamala, not Aksharamalakal. Clear? So alphabets, wrong usage. Alphabet, right usage. Clear? Am I clear? So alphabet,
ma'am.
English
Yes, ma'am.
alphabet
Clear.
consists of
Yes, ma'am.
26 letters. Among the 26 letters, it is separated. It is divided into consonant letters and vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U are called the vowel letters in English alphabet. Okay. The remaining letters are going under the consonant letters. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
listen, when you were there in the smaller classes, you learned, your teacher has taught you, okay, children, you use or you must use a letter or article A before consonant letters. Okay, and she has also taught you, when you use an, it must be before a vowel letter. But now you are sitting in 6th standard, change this letter into sound. Now we are not stressing on the letters. We are going to stress on the sound. Okay? Okay, listen. So A, indefinite article, must be used before, a consonant sounds, not consonant letters. You should use letter A or article A before the consonant sound. Okay? And article am must be used before vowel sounds. Not only vowel letters, vowel sounds. Remember this. So children will remember carefully. These articles are coming under determiners, and these determiners introduce, okay, these determiner introduce a noun or an adjective, which means that an article is always used just before a noun. Nouns are naming word. It can be a name of a person, it can be a name of a thing, okay, it can be a name of a place, whatever it is. So these articles are used just before the nouns. Okay, the comes before a noun, a comes before a noun, and also can be used before a noun. Okay, so there are two types of articles: definite article the and indefinite article. Indefinite article a or an. So let me share the screen for you guys. Articles. Okay, a recap. An article is a type of determiner. Determiner normally introduces. So you write, note down, introduces a noun or an adjective in a sentence. Okay, noun or an adjective in a sentence. Remember, an article is used before a noun. Precedes means before, comes before, placed before. So it is used before a noun in a sentence. As you all know, a or an are indefinite article, and definite article is actually the. And you know, the word or the letter or the article the has two different pronunciation, right? We can say the and we can use the. Where to use the and where to use the? No, some people they used to say the, some people they used to say the. But there is a usage for using the and the. Where to use, or before which sound you use the, before which sound you use the. Generally, before the consonant letter, you must use the. The. Okay, before the vowel letters or vowel sounds, you can use the. Okay, the and the. The can be used before consonant sounds and the can be used with the vowel sounds. And in a speech, if you want to point out some important thing, if you want to stress someone, if you want to, when you speak someone, if you want to stress on something, before that also you can use the term the. Okay, the word the and the are same in meaning. There is no difference. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am, you are
Okay,
clear.
let me share the screen once again. So as you all know, articles are determiners, which is called the ninth part of speech. Addition. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. According to the traditional grammarians, there are 8 parts of speech. Recently added 1. According to the modern grammarian, there are 9 parts of speech, and the 9th one is called determiner, and article is coming under determiners. Okay, normally or generally or usually an article is just used before a noun in a sentence. There are two types of article. As I said, there are two types of articles: definite article the and indefinite article a or an. Am I clear? Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
these articles can also be said, or it is used in the form of an adjective. See, a car. Okay, a car, you know, an adjective describes a noun or it qualifies a noun. It says something about a noun. As a car is a noun, and the letter A or the article is actually talking about how many cars, one car. So it describes describes a car, the noun. So it can be also called an adjective in a sentence. So listen, children, the adjective a, and the are usually called articles in English grammar. Herein, am I clear? So articles a or an, either a or an, and the are usually called articles in English grammar. Point number one. Point number two, as you all know, there are two types of article. A or an is called indefinite article. The is called definite article. So one indefinite, two definite. Okay, there are two types of articles in English grammar. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
and the
You're
most
clear.
important thing, as a general rule, you please remember, article must be placed before a common noun in the singular subject. Sorry, singular number. Okay, you know, you should remember only this much. You must use an article before a noun. It comes before a noun. Okay, so look at the examples written here. This is a pen. Pen can be ink pen, it can be ball pen, it can be sketch pen. So pen stands or it is in the form of a common noun. Okay, and this a shoes, it actually describes, it is in the form of an adjective or it introduces the pen here. So it is an article because it is just before a. The article a is just used before a noun pen. Okay, and an umbrella. Why an? Because it sounds vowel. It has a
Ma'am,
vowel
the
sound
U
in
is
the
a
beginning.
vowel.
So we should use an. Okay, an is an article. It placed before a noun. Umbrella is a noun. So an is used just before a noun. Pen is a noun. And a, the article, is used just before the noun pen. See, I saw a jackal. Jackal is a noun. So article A is used before a noun. In the field, field is a noun. So the definite article is used before a noun. The boy fell dead. Boy is a noun, and you know the definite article is just used before the noun boy. So you should remember all those things. And important, note down, the article A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. I am stressing on sound again. Okay, letter A or article A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Remember, article an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Again, I'm stressing on sound. As you are in 6th standard, just shed letters and please remember sound. Okay, consonant sound, vowel sound. A is used before a word beginning with consonant sound and is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Am I clear? Am I clear,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thank you for response. See, now let us talk about the two types of article. Okay, there are two types of article. How many types are there, children? As you said, there are two types of article. Type 1 is called definite article, which is is said to be the definite article. Okay, second one is called indefinite article. A or an are called indefinite article. So definite article and indefinite article are the two types of articles used in English grammar. Now let us talk about the definite article. What do you mean by a definite article? Why the is called a definite article? Yes.
Article which refers to a definite person or thing.
Correct. You are absolutely right, my son. It points out how many presidents are there in India? India is a big nation. We are growing, we are developing. So tell me how many presidents are there in India? I'm talking about the superhero. How many presidents for India? There are many presidents, local presidents here and there, everywhere presidents. But tell me how many presidents for India, the country? The country has only one president, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the president of India?
Ramnath Kovind.
Huh? President of India. Social studies.
Ramnath
President of
Kovind.
India. General knowledge. Louder.
Ramnath
You are right. You are right. Ramnath Kovind. Right. Ramnath Kovind
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the president of India. The president of India. We are going to talk about the president of India. There is only one president. We are talking about that particular person. Okay. I want that particular pen which you kept in your hand. So I'm not talking about any pens in the hands of anyone. I'm talking about that particular blue pen which you kept in your hand. So we are using the to point out, or it shows or it points out one particular person or one particular thing. Okay, so that particularity, it is not general. How many prime minister for India? Social,
Ma'am,
social science.
Prime Minister.
One, ma'am.
How many? How many presidents? Sorry, how many prime ministers?
Ma'am, one.
Sir?
Ma'am, one.
Sir?
What?
So congratulations, a special congratulations for your social science teacher. As you said, there is only one prime minister. Okay, who is the prime minister of India? Narendra Modi is the prime minister of India. Okay, fine. How many chief ministers in Kerala?
Ma'am,
How many?
one.
Only one chief minister. Who is that?
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Yeah, Pinarayi Vijayan is the chief minister of Kerala. So only one. We are going to talk about that single person, the chief minister, the president, the prime minister. So that is very particular. That is very particular, not in general, right? So we are using definite article the to point out a particular person or a definite person or definite or a particular person or a particular thing. So the article is just used before a particular person. Title, I cannot say the Narendra Modi. That is wrong. But I can say the Prime Minister of India. Okay, so the is used just before the noun, the Prime Minister, and that is very particular. It is not general. I cannot be the Prime Minister. I want to become, I'll try. Okay, if you vote for me, definitely I'll become a Prime Minister of India. Okay, so children, please, you cannot vote, but still, let me discuss this about your social science teacher, how to reach into that goal. Okay, if I want to become a Prime Minister of India, what are the rules, what are the steps I should take in my life, right? So I can work hard to get a chance and to be there on the throne of India, right? Particular
Yes,
Prime
ma'am.
Minister. Okay, so please remember, children, the definite article is used to point out a particular person or a particular thing. So the is the first type of article called definite article. Okay, and what do you mean by indefinite article? Just opposite to definite.
Ma'am,
There are two indefinite
articles
articles,
that do
a
refer
or
to a
an.
particular definite.
Okay, a or an are called indefinite article in English grammar. See, listen carefully. Here, a and an are the weakened form of one. Okay, which means one, the number. Instead of one, the number, we are using a or an. A car. What do you mean by a car? How many cars are there? A car.
One
One car. Okay.
One cup.
An umbrella. How many umbrellas?
Ma'am,
One umbrella. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? An apple. My son's favorite cartoon is Popeye the Sailor Man. Okay, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And what is special for Popeye? The cartoon character. You're not familiar with Popeye? My goodness. He's a sailor. He's a sailor. Animation. Okay, leave it. Whatever it is. If you don't know, you just leave it. Okay. So listen, children, listen carefully. We are talking about indefinite article. Instead of, or it is a or an is the weakened form of one. Instead of one, the number, we are using article a or an before the noun. Okay, we can use a or an before the noun. Am I clear? A car, an umbrella, an apple. Okay, and you know a is used before consonant sounds and must be used before vowel sounds. So let us talk about this one, this slide. Please look it here, children. I'm sharing a slide for you. What is definite article? We discussed already. The is called the definite article because it points out something definite, something particular. We are talking about if you want to use the can be used before a particular person, title, particular thing. Okay, to point out the particular thing. I saw a snake in the field. I saw a snake, one snake. I saw one snake in that particular field. I haven't seen next to the field, next to the house of Seba. Right? I have seen in my field, in the field of my nearby my house. So that particular field. Okay. So that I can use the there. Okay. See, children, see, listen. And second one is called indefinite article a or an. Okay, indefinite article a or an is called the weakened form of one. Okay, wherever we are using one before the noun, you can use a or an based on the sounds. If you have a consonant sound, you must use a indefinite article before a consonant sound, and you can use and the article before a vowel sound. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me start from the very beginning. We discussed a few points today. We were discussing about article. According to the modern grammarian, the 9th part of speech is called determiner, and which is actually used to introduce a noun, okay, or an adjective in a sentence. Okay, so these articles are actually coming under the 9th part of speech, which is called a determiner in English grammar. Okay, and remember, we have two types of articles. What are they? What are the two types of article, children?
Definite article, indefinite article.
Very good, very good. Definite article and indefinite. There are two types of article. Definite article. What is definite article?
Ma'am, the
Very good. Very good. What is indefinite article?
or an.
Excellent, excellent. Now let me ask one person, anyone, please tell me what is a definite article, or where or when we should use definite article.
Ma'am.
That is used.
Ma'am, to point out a definite person or a thing.
Particular, to point a particular person or a particular thing. Okay. Example, definite article example.
The cup was in that table.
Excellent.
Cat. The cat. The boy.
The boy. Okay, fine. So we can use definite article. I have told you the president, a particular person, the title, right? The prime minister, right? An example. And what is the indefinite article? Where to use? What is it? I have told you a or an are called the indefinite article, and which is called the weakened form of one. Wherever we are using one, which all places we are using a or an. Remember only one thing, a must be used before or a word which is beginning with a consonant sound, and an must be used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Not talking about letters, I'm talking about sound. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us learn the usages of, or where to use an and where to use a, the definite article. Okay, I have a slide for you. Listen. So we are going to talk about this indefinite article. I have told you it is used instead of one. Okay, a boy, a car, one boy, right? An apple, an umbrella. That also you can see we are talking about one particular one kind of one umbrella and one car. Sorry, one apple. Okay, so here we have 3 points. Okay, where to use an. Listen, children, the first point. Look at the first point. An is used before a word beginning with vowel sound. I'm not talking about vowel letters. As you all know, A, E, I, O, U are called the vowel letters, right? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. 21 are called consonant and 5 letters are called the vowel letters. Okay, so here an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. These sounds. Okay, this is a general rule. So an, as you know, A is a vowel letter. Again, apple, A, orange, O, umbrella, U, uncle, U. Okay, so we have to use and before a word beginning with the vowel sound. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now look at the second point, children. Where to use an. See, you have a few examples here. I have told you and must be used before a word which is beginning with the vowel sound. Okay, for example, honest. Honest. Honesty is the best policy. Tell me the spelling of honest.
H-O-N-E-S.
Yeah, so you can see the word is beginning with the consonant letter H. Agree? Agree?
I'm agreed.
Which article is right? A or an?
Ma'am,
And.
No, a few children said A, a few said an. So I am standing with the people, those who said we should use an. Okay, why am, children? H-O-N-E-S-T. Okay. H-O-U-R. How to pronounce this word? H-O-U-R. It is not hover, it is R.
how?
It is R, it is not hover. Where you can see, though it is starting with a consonant letter, the consonant letter H is not stressed or it is silent. Okay, the sound which we are beginning that word is actually a vowel sound. R. Honest. It is not honest, it is not hover. H is silent. Okay, am I clear? Am
Yes,
I
ma'am,
clear?
you're clear.
So such cases where you can see a silent H, a word which is beginning with a consonant letter, but the letter consonant letter is actually silent, and we are beginning that word with a vowel sound. Before that word, we must use and the article. Agree? Agree? So it is not a honest man, it is an honest man. H is silent. It is not honesty, it is honesty. Am I clear?
Yes,
Am I clear?
Yes.
So look at the point number B. Let me show you the point B once again. Before a word beginning with H. Before a word beginning with H. See? Which is not pronounced, and therefore the beginning sound of the word becomes a vowel sound. This H is silent. So how to pronounce this word? Though it is starting with a consonant letter, where the letter H is silent. So how to pronounce this word? R. So you know R is actually, you are familiar that A, E, I, O, U are the vowel letters. These are the pattern of vowel sounds. So R is actually beginning with the vowel sound. So I can use only an, I cannot use a here. Agree? Agree? That is why I have used an before honest. It is not honest. H is silent. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It is an honest man. It is not right to say a honest man. H is silent. Okay? Am I clear? So we learned 2
Yes,
points
ma'am.
how to use an. Okay? Point number 1. before a word beginning with a vowel sound, as a general rule, we are normally using an, the article, before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, an umbrella, an apple, an orange. Okay, and point number 2 says that though it is beginning with a consonant letter H. Okay, though it is beginning with the consonant letter H, where you can see the H is silent in all the places. See, H is silent. Okay, and we are beginning with the vowel sound R, honest, air, right? Who is heir? I haven't discussed about this. Heir to the throne. What do you mean by heir?
Ma'am, the king.
The king? The king is the heir. Think once again. Who is an heir to throne? If the king dies, who comes in the place of king? The prince, isn't it?
Son.
Son. Okay, very good, very good. So here in all the three words, you can see the H is silent. Okay, though it is a consonant letter, or these words are starting with a consonant letter, we cannot use article A before this. Okay, we have to use an, because here all three words you can see the letter H is silent and which is beginning with the vowel sound. So article an must be used before these words. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very clear. Do you
Yes,
have any
ma'am.
doubt with point
No
1 and
doubts.
point 2?
No
No
doubt.
doubts, ma'am. Very
Okay,
clear.
and this is another one. See children, another one. Look at the point here. We can use, see children, we must use and before these individual letters spoken with the vowel sound. How? See, an M-A. You know M, letter M is actually a consonant letter. It is not vowel. Why I should use an? And also look at the second example. It is M, starting with M, MP. Again, I have used an before MP. Look at the second one. SP. S is a consonant letter. And I have used an before it. How is it possible, children? See, just imagine like this. Okay, what is the spelling of monkey?
Monkey.
Monkey.
Okay, Monkey, monkey. The letter is used to begin this word as letter M, right?
Yes.
Right? But we
Yes.
are pronouncing it as monkey, mer sound, starting with mer sound. Mer sound is actually a consonant sound. Okay? But look at this one, MP, M-A. How to begin? How is it pronounced?
M.
M,
M.
M, A, M, right? The word is like M, MP, M-A. So A, M, M. So the sound A is a vowel sound or a consonant sound?
Ma'am, vowel.
Vowel sound, exactly. It is a vowel sound. That is why we must use a vowel or we must use an. Okay, the article an before M, M-A, M-P, because it is beginning with the word, the sound, vowel sound, that is M. Remember, monkey, monkey, M sound. That is consonant letter and that word is beginning with the consonant sound. So we have to use a monkey. But here it is MP. Okay, MP. Here the sound is actually M. M. Okay, so it is a vowel sound. That is why we are using an before M-A, M-P, these individual letters. Am I clear? And what about S-P? See, the sound is, see, remember again, another example. Super, sir sound, super. But S-P, both the letters, super, the spelling is starting with S, right? But the sound is S itself. But here, when you talk about SP, in super it is sir and SP it is yes. Yes. So the sound which we are pronouncing in the beginning is actually a vowel sound. S, S, A, S, S. Okay, that is why we are using an article and before SP. And we are using article A before super. Okay, Superman. Okay, whatever it is. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
So monkey, M-A. Monkey, it is starting with M. M sound. M is actually a consonant sound. So A. But MP, M-A, the sound is actually M. M. A, M. M. Okay. So it is an article. Am I clear? Are you getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
So MP and MP and MA. Okay, I can an MBA. It is not a MBA. It is not a MA. It is not a MP. He is a MP or he is an MP. He is an MP, member of parliament, right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Am I
Yes.
clear? Are these 3 points clear for you guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
three.
Clear.
Very clear. Do you have
Very
any
clear, ma'am.
doubts?
No, ma'am.
No
ma'am.
doubts.
No doubts, ma'am.
Very perfect and very clear. So these
Yes.
are the 3 points that you should remember. And the last point where to use this MP and monkey, that should be very clear because you can expect questions based on that. Okay, so children, listen carefully. I have another thing, and I am getting only three minutes before winding up. Okay, so I'm not starting letter A today, article A today. Now, if you have anything to discuss with me based on this and, you can ask me now. So let me revise. Let me just give you a recap. Now we were talking about articles, right? I said there is only
Yes,
one
ma'am.
alphabet. Alphabet is only one. Don't say 26 alphabets. And the usage of alphabets itself is wrong. You must say alphabet. Okay, there you correct yourself. Alphabet, it consists of 26 letters and it is actually separated 21 consonant letters and 5 vowel letters. Okay, and remember, articles are actually coming under the 9th part of speech, which is called a determiner, which is used to introduce, a noun or an adjective in a sentence. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
these articles are coming under these kind of determiners, which is called the 9th part of speech according to the modern grammarians. And please remember, we have the next thing, that is there are 2 types of articles, definite articles and indefinite article. Definite article, it always points out a particular person or a particular thing, and we have 2 different usages, the and the. The is used before the consonant sounds and the can be used with a vowel sound. That is not a rule. Okay, that is not a rule at all. Remember, it is not a rule. Not a rule. Okay, see children, listen carefully. Now I have told you definite and indefinite articles. Definite article the and indefinite article is actually the weakened form of one. Instead of one, one, we can use a or an. And remember, these articles are always used before a noun. We cannot use anywhere. We have to use before. An article should be placed before a noun in a sentence. Am I clear?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
clear?
Clear.
So I'll be coming with the new examples and I'll be coming with the new ideas in the next class. Thank you for coming and attending my class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.